Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, the future of Bhim program. A report. The Indian Army set to order an additional 100 South Korean developed K-9 Vajra self-propelled howitzer, but debates are intensifying over the need for a shift towards greater reliance on self-propelled artillery. Lessons from the Ukraine war, where towed howitzers have proven vulnerable to counter battery attacks, emphasize the importance of agility and survivability for modern battlefields. Next, developed weaponized drone for IAF helicopters. The Ministry of Defense has issued a new challenge through IDEX Aditi, targeting Indian startups. This initiative seeks the development of a next-generation weapon system for the Indian Air Force, a helicopter-launched drone with unmanned teaming, that is MUMT, capability. The primary goal is to equip Mi-17 class helicopters, a mainstay of the IAF, with the launch and forget or pilot in the loop controlled drone solutions. Next, seeking expertise for indigenous supersonic Ramjet engine deployment. The Ministry of Defense has launched a new initiative under IDEX Aditi. This program specially targets Indian startups with the challenge of developing a high supersonic to hypersonic Ramjet engine for fixed wing flying objects used by the Indian Navy. The project aims to achieve self-reliance in a critical defense technology, hypersonic propulsion system. The technology is crucial for developing next-generation missiles and high-speed aircraft capable of exceeding hypersonic speed, that is Mach 5 and above. Next, deployment of advanced T-14 tanks for Ukraine war. Russia has decided to forego deploying its most advanced T-14 Armata tanks in the ongoing war against Ukraine, citing high costs, according to Sergei Shemzov, CEO of Rostec, a state-owned defense company. Next, Ukraine claims it has hit Russian warship using high-tech sea drones. Ukraine claimed Tuesday it has sunk another Russian warship in the Black Sea using high-tech sea drones as the forces take aim at targets well behind the war's front line. Russia authority did not confirm the claim. Next, Indian Army tests kites for surveillance and anti-drone missions. During a joint military exercise in Rajasthan, India, the Indian Army showcased the use of a trained kites for surveillance and potential anti-drone capabilities. These kites, named Arjun and Deep, are not your typical childhood playthings. They are equipped with head-mounted cameras that transmit real-time videos feeds to ground troops, providing crucial situational awareness. This innovative approach leverages the natural agility and maneuverability of birds to navigate terrains, particularly in remote or challenging areas where conventional drones or aircraft might struggle. Thank you. Next, Union Minister Jitendra Singh unveils in Space Technical Center. Union Minister Jitendra Singh on Tuesday unveiled the Technical Center of Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center in Bhopal, Ahmedabad. The advanced facility is set to offer comprehensive support to non-government entities within the space sector, ranging from design and development to simulation and testing of space technologies. Thank you.